Is Windows Clock still not working correctly after trying other fixes? Reinstalling the Clock app can replace damaged application files and give you a fresh installation. In this guide, I'll show you how to reinstall Windows Clock in 2026. First, open the Start menu and select Settings. You can also press Windows key +I to open Settings quickly. From here, we'll access the installed applications on your computer. Next, select Apps, then open Installed Apps. This section lets you find and manage applications installed on your Windows PC. Use the search box to find Clock. Locate the Windows Clock app in the results and open its options. Depending on your version of Windows, you'll usually see a three-dot menu next to the application. Select Uninstall if the option is available, then confirm the removal. Windows may ask you to confirm the action before uninstalling the app. Wait for the process to finish before moving to the next step. Once Windows Clock has been removed, open the Microsoft Store. Use the search box and type Windows Clock or Clock to find the official application. Select the Clock app and choose Get, Install, or the available installation button. Windows will download and install a fresh copy of the application. Wait until the installation is complete. After installation finishes, select Open or Launch Clock from the Start menu. Test the main features, including alarms, timers, stopwatch, and any other tools you use regularly. Finally, open the Microsoft Store and check for available updates. You can also check Windows Update for system updates. Keeping both the app and Windows up to date can help prevent similar problems in the future. And that's how to reinstall Windows Clock in 2026. Remove the app when Windows allows it, reinstall the official Clock app through Microsoft Store, and then test its main features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.